Okay, we're going to be solving absolute value equations today. So a couple things to take note of. For each of these, we're going to have two answers. When we solve them, the first thing we want to do is isolate the absolute value on one side of the equation. So just like in the example on the top, on the left-hand side I have just absolute value on one side, a number on the other side. Same thing with both of these examples. Absolute values on one side, and so from here, what I want to do is make two different equations to solve. And I want one of them with a positive number, one with a negative number. So do x minus 2 equals 5, and x minus 2 equals negative 5. So when we're talking about a positive number and a negative number, we're just talking about the number on the opposite side of our equation, opposite of the absolute value. So from there then, just solve both equations. So add a 2 to both sides, so you get x is equal to 7, or solve the other one, add 2 to both sides, x is equal to negative 3. And that's my final answer. These examples just get slightly tougher, but it's only one extra step. I want to get the absolute value isolated, so I'm going to add a 5 to both sides.
Jack Kerger, if you are in the building, please report to the choir room immediately. Jack Kerger, if you're in the building, report to the choir room immediately, please.
So I get the absolute value isolated by adding a 5 to both sides. So now, since I just have absolute value on the left-hand side, then I can make my two equations. I don't want to do it from the first one because because I have the subtraction of 5 that's not letting the absolute value be by itself. So move the 5 over. Now I have negative 2x minus 7, absolute value equals 9. Then make my two equations from there. It's important that I do it that way and not making my two equations from the start. So 2x minus 7 equals 9, 2x minus 7 equals negative 9. Those are my two equations. And then I'll solve them by adding 7. So 2x is equal to 16, and divide by 2. So x is equal to 8. Or do the same thing over here. Add 7 and divide by 2. And that's it.